We're speaking about sexual empowerment for women, connecting to your goddess energy. If you're just starting your journey with Tantra and wanting to expand your pleasure experience, I can give you this one exercise which is very helpful. So if you're just a beginner and you've been making love the normal way and you want to expand it and start experiencing full body orgasms, the first thing that you can try is make love in your normal way. And then when you have that kapow experience, the explosion of joy happening in your body, for a moment there, imagine that you are sending that experience, that sensation, that explosion, that you're sending it up through your body, through your heart, and all the way into your head, and even out the top of your head. You can simply use your imagination. So you feel that kapow explosion happening in the base chakra, and then you can use your hand or your imagination. Just you will be surprised at how much you can do and how you can extend that orgasm, and you might even feel some after tremors. And those after tremors are valuable. Ride them like a wave. See if you can extend them. Let them flow through your body. What I believe is that your first orgasm as a woman, your first orgasm is the engine is starting. So that might be a clitoral orgasm. The keys turned, the engine is starting. So we don't have to turn the key constantly, the clitoral orgasm. It doesn't always just happen there again. Once we've started the engine, what you want to practice now is, now you're going to use your imagination. Just imagine you feeling it going up, going to your fingertips. You will be surprised at your capacity to move pleasure through your body. Trust me, you are a woman. You can do this. You can even imagine it shooting out your legs. You can, and another trick that you need to do, if you like, is you feel that first orgasm, and you can actually relax your body and just lie back and relax your body and just imagine sending it up through your head. Imagine it going to your fingertips. Imagine it going to your toes. And you might feel some waves through your body, and allow them to go. Allow them to go. You are a woman. You can enter an orgasmic state. You are able to do it. Anyone can do it. Oof. Relax your body. Imagine the energy moving, and discover yourself as a multi-orgasmic being. I love you. Oh, what I need to say is, when you move the energy through your body and you're moving the orgasmic energy through the body, and I'm saying you're having multiple orgasms, remember they're not having, the first one was on the clitoris, the start, but then it happens everywhere in your body after that. It can happen inside your vagina, it can happen in your chest, it can happen in your head, it can happen in your diaphragm, in your heart, all the way everywhere in your yoni. All the different parts are very orgasmic. It's not only the one, it's everywhere. So switch that engine on and see how far you can take it. Just play. I love you.